Okay. So I just listened to um, like the Heist from Macklemore. I listened to 10,000 hours, and this is a title that I listened to. So not a lot, but I listened to it, and I really so the general vibe of the song, I really agree with that. You see, it's like it's um, it's basically putting the hours in to basically become or develop what you want what you want. You see? So here we go. Là, j'ai juste dit que donc j'ai écouté un peu euh, donc euh, l'album The Heist de Macklemore. En fait, j'ai écouté un peu des chansons en aléatoire et bon, ça m'a montré 10,000 Hours de Macklemore, qui est honnêtement qui est bah, un titre que j'ai écouté et que j'ai beaucoup aimé. Vous voyez. Alors, je l'ai pas écouté énormément, vous voyez celui-là, mais j'ai écouté et j'ai beaucoup aimé. Alors, de toute façon, j'aime beaucoup Macklemore. Je trouve que c'est très positif, très ambitieux et très motivant, vous voyez. Et donc, j'ai quand même beaucoup aimé Macklemore. Voilà. Donc voilà. Et ça, c'était avant d'aller aux États-Unis, évidemment. Oui, aussi, oui, c'est vrai que j'avais commencé à réfléchir à ça. Euh, ouais, donc effectivement, en fait, la purée. Ouais. Enfin bref. Mais, donc Belleville. Alors, là-dessus, donc apparemment, Julien Belleville aurait inventé la rondelle. Vous voyez, la rondelle, donc apparemment appelée rondelle Belleville. Euh, donc qui est une sorte de rondelle qui s'appuie, vous voyez, enfin qui s'appuie avec euh, avec une force, vous voyez, euh, pour en gros certainement absorber les chocs, vous voyez. Et, euh, et c'est vrai qu'aujourd'hui la rondelle, vous voyez, c'est totalement plat. Euh, et donc c'est vrai que, alors je sais pas si, eh bien, euh, à mon avis c'est parce que il doit y avoir des rondelles plates et des rondelles Belleville, vous voyez. Donc euh, voilà, et honnêtement, alors je sais pas si c'est le meilleur moyen, honnêtement, d'avoir d'avoir quelque chose qui permet l'extension. Vous voyez, je pense que c'est un très, alors ça ressemble à ça. Euh, honnêtement, je pense que c'est, alors Shane l'a utilisé dans sa vidéo, mais vous voyez, c'était pour utiliser la rondelle Belleville. Mais honnêtement, euh, alors bon, faut savoir aussi que c'était il y a euh, c'était quand même il y a une centaine d'années, vous voyez. Donc, donc bon, mais pour le coup, c'est quand même pas mal parce que vous voyez, ça permet l'extension de, eh bien, euh, ce que, vous voulez fermer. Vous voyez. Par contre, le problème, c'est que je sais pas si la rondelle revient dans sa position initiale. Vous voyez. Et donc, ça permet l'extension, mais attendez. Ouais, elle revient pas dans sa dans sa position initiale, je ne pense pas. Vous voyez. Donc bon, c'est quand même c'est quand même pas ouf. Vous voyez. Il y a beaucoup de rondelles comme ça qui reviennent. Qui reviennent dans leur... il y a des choses qui peuvent revenir dans leur position initiale. Et c'est mieux. D'accord? Alors, après, ça dépend. Peut-être que là, c'est pour... Vous voyez, en vrai, pourquoi est-ce que vous voudrez pas que ça revienne dans la position initiale? Vous voyez, en général, quand vous faites ça, et là vous allez me dire, bah du coup Shane, il s'est peut-être un peu trompé quand il a utilisé les rondelles Belleville. Bah, alors, là-dessus, je ne sais pas exactement ce que Shane voulait faire, d'accord? Et il l'explique pas trop dans la vidéo. Ensuite, à mon avis, alors, bon, vous pourriez peut-être vous demander, est-ce que Shane s'est trompé? Ou est-ce que Shane a été trompé plutôt? A été trompé par les gens qui ont inventé cette rondelle, donc Julien Belleville. Eh bien, c'est possible. C'est possible, honnêtement. Parce que pour moi, vous voulez une extension, ensuite vous voulez que ça revienne à la position initiale. Vous voyez? Donc, possiblement, alors je ne sais pas, hein, mais possiblement, Shane a été trompé. Shane de Stuff Made Here. Okay? So, I think, so video for Shane, you used Belleville rondelles. So I don't know how you call the rondelles in English. Let me check that. So you didn't washer. So you didn't say exactly what the washer became after you used the machine. So I don't know exactly, but the thing is that for me, so I don't know. So it depends obviously on the forces and what it did. Okay, but what I mean is that for me, these things, like, they are deformed, so they are deformed, so they can absorb some force, and then they stay in their final position. So if I'm not mistaken, so do they come back to their position or not? Okay, so wow, so it's made of metal and they come back to their position. Okay, maybe I was wrong on that though. Okay. Okay, so if they come back to their position, that's nice. Is it possible though to make them come back to their positions? So I don't know if you've been wait, let me get some. So I did not test them, okay? It's just that I'm looking at this if they come back to their position, okay? Okay. Do they come back to your position or not? I don't think they're coming back to their positions. It was 100 years ago. I don't think they had the technology to make them come back to their positions. Okay? So, I don't think those. So you see, so I think Shane, honestly, I think that they tried to like to, I don't have the words, but they tried to misled. They tried to mislead you, I think. Because so the Belleville washers, I don't think they're coming back to their positions. I don't know if you knew, but I don't think so. So you see, the Belleville washers don't come back to their positions, and basically you are misled by French people, I think. Honestly, so honestly, fuck them, huh? Fuck them. If they really did that, fuck, huh? So maybe they're coming back to their positions, though. So I don't know exactly. But I don't think so. And if they're not coming back to their positions, you see, it's so you might say to me, Gauthier, don't worry. I did not want things to come back to their positions. If that's the case, it's okay. But I think it's better to have some things that come back to their positions while you are doing your thing. So just small like small comment, and honestly, I think Julien Belleville is it's not a very good invention, honestly. So it could be good in some context, but most of the time you want things to come back to their position, you see. So when you're building an engineering system, that need to come back to normal after being tried, okay, being tried and being used. So here you go. So yeah. So if you use them in an honest way, I think you have been misled, Shane. So I'm sorry. Julien Belleville is a motherfucker, because this guy invented this for them to be replaced each time. Okay, so Julien Belleville is one of the worst guy I've ever seen, and sorry that you got misled. Okay, I think it's possible to have some things that come back to normal. So obviously, if you use that, I think so. Shane is not dumb. I think he knew this. He just used them maybe for people to think about it. I think so. So if you see this, just basically try to. If you see this, just answer. I don't know, but so I honestly think that Shane is an authentic guy. So, but so an authentic guy could have also hidden that fact for people to get it by themselves. So I don't know exactly, because you've done that before. So obviously I think you knew that, Shane, and so it's fine because it's the culture. I know that it's the culture, like it's the Republican culture, and sharing this is fine. But honestly, so you see, I kind of hate that people are misled. Honestly, you see, it's fine because for you it's like showing something to people and they can be inspired to build it. So it's really fine, but you see, adding things that mislead people is not so good. Okay, Honestly, I think Shane, you're doing honestly wonderful things on your YouTube channel. Huh? Honestly, it's just that um, so obviously I got in previous video that you've done some of those things, okay, but it's just that for me, you see, it's so it's like it's like you're perpetuating the one user things you see and misleading people. So part of the like Christian like part of the Christian thinking you see about telling people things with mistakes or wrong things so they can figure it out. So honestly, for me, it's not that bad, you see, because obviously people can figure this out, okay? But it's just that for me, it's like, you get it? So for me, using, you see, like giving out information directly, for example, I think something better would have been something better would have been so there's the Belleville washers, so you can use them, but I decided to use another thing. Search for why. You see, this could have been that, or this could have been there's the Belleville washers. I'm going to use the Belleville washers, and in the next video I'm gonna use something else because this is not the best. You see, I think this would have been better, honestly. So obviously, I think at the end of the video you say that you're going to improve this a lot in another video, I think so, if I remember it correctly. So obviously I think these were the kind of reflections that you were thinking about. So if that's the case, that's nice, but honestly, you see, I think that this could have been a bit better, you see, to say so I've used the Belleville washers, something else can be used, and I might use it in the next video, something like that. I think this would have been a lot better, like just steering a bit, okay? Maybe not even say that it's better, just say you can use other things, you see? And just this, I think this is a lot better than basically sometimes trying like making people drown in a pool of mistakes, you see. So just steering, but you see, just a bit, just putting the idea in the mind that something other that could be used, you see. So obviously you're gonna say to me, Gauthier, if somebody does that, these people already know that. Just in case, you see, for me, just in case. And you're gonna say to me also, Gauthier, if basically this is said like that, people are not going to get it, you see. Might be true. So I don't know, maybe I've used the Belleville washers. Something else, something else could be used. No, that's what I said. No, sorry. Something better. could be used to better steer. You see, because you see, I think saying that there's a lot of so that's not what I wanted to say. Honestly, you see, I don't like making mistake on purpose, because basically this is making people redesign things that have already been designed. And so you're going to say to me, Gauthier, people have to realize some of this. Yes, so people can realize, it's not a problem. But what I mean is that just steering a bit. You see, it's like, for example, I know that I know that I can build a good infrastructure with Kubernetes. So that can scale and things like that. I'm not going to say to people, so for example, I meet someone in the street, this guy says to me, I want to host hundreds of websites. How can I do it? I'm not going to say to him, you should use VMs. You see? So obviously Kubernetes runs on VM, but you get what I wanted to say, okay? I'm not going to say to him, host directly in services in Linux on VMs, okay? I'm going to say to him, use higher abstractions, so he can start from a higher point. You see, you don't want people, so especially since this was invented in 1867, you don't want people to basically remake the mistakes that were done 100 years ago, 150 years ago. So you see, so I think honestly, Shane, your channel is making so for me it's really inspiring seeing you build things and things like that. But honestly, I don't know, these things I don't like, you see. So if people are hearing me right now, so obviously I'm going to make some of the same things as Shane is doing, but in like a really modern way, so using literally the state of the art, okay? So obviously Shane is doing that in his culture, okay? So obviously I don't blame Shane, because Shane is putting a lot of work and is sharing a lot of things, okay? So I don't really blame Shane. It's just that I'm not going to use the same approach, okay? And it's the fact also that it could be true that Shane could not even operate if he was doing what I said, okay? I'm going to do it anyway because I take the risk, okay? Shane maybe cannot take the risk, okay? So here you go. So here is what I wanted to say. Donc je parle un peu en français aussi. Donc là vous voyez, moi si je devais refaire ça, vous voyez, en gros jamais je remettrais les gens dans des erreurs, ou en tout cas dans des problèmes, vous voyez, qui ont été inventés il y a 150 ans. D'accord? En gros, moi j'essaierai toujours d'utiliser l'état de l'art. D'accord? Alors, comme j'ai déjà dit, Shane fait ça dans une certaine culture, vous voyez, où en gros, leur culture c'est de montrer aux gens des choses qui sont super vieilles, vous voyez, et de ne partager que des choses qui sont vieilles. En gros, pour pas se faire distancer. Alors, et là vous allez me dire, mais pourquoi Shane s'inscrit dans ça? Alors, Shane n'a certainement pas le choix. D'accord? Là, je parle du gars de Stuff Made Here. Ok? Shane n'a certainement pas le choix. d'accord? Euh, En gros, il ne peut partager ça que s'il fait ça. Vous voyez, je pense. Donc, maintenant, c'est pas grave, moi je prends le risque, d'accord? Je prends le risque de partager l'état de l'art, d'accord? Alors, vous allez me dire, Gauthier, ils aiment pas ça. Ils aiment pas ça, mais moi je m'en fous. Moi je vais partager l'état de l'art pour que les gens aient les meilleures informations et les meilleures capacités, d'accord? Euh, donc voilà, jamais j'utiliserai la méthode américaine du public, d'accord? Euh, c'est à cause de ça tous les problèmes qui se passent aujourd'hui aux États-Unis. D'accord. Donc maintenant, bon, Shane, Shane s'inscrit bah, dans la tradition américaine. Vous voyez, donc c'est pas. Enfin, c'est pas vraiment de sa faute. Vous voyez. Euh, euh, Honnêtement, je pense que Shane a partagé énormément de super bons trucs. Enfin, moi j'ai adoré regarder toutes ses vidéos. D'accord. Mais c'est juste que. Enfin, voilà. C'est. euh, Moi j'aurais pas fait ça. Vous voyez. Voilà. Ok. Euh, donc voilà. Euh, voilà. Alors, um, do I have another thing to say about that? Alors, vous voyez, je pense que ce qui s'est passé, c'est que le gouvernement, donc maintenant républicain, a dû contacter tous les gens qui font ça, vous voyez, pour faire ce genre de choses. Vous voyez, parce qu'en gros, dans leur culture, dans la culture chrétienne, vous voyez, c'est de partager des choses qui ne sont pas complètes ou des informations incomplètes ou euh, fausses aux gens pour que les gens réalisent eux-mêmes. D'accord. Moi, je trouve ça très très nul. Honnêtement. Je trouve ça très très nul. Et c'est pour ça que je combats pour une autre voie. Donc une voie où, vous voyez, on vous partage les vraies informations. D'accord. Et comme ça, tout le monde peut travailler sur la frontière et on avance beaucoup plus vite. Vous voyez. Tout simplement. Donc voilà. Donc du coup, j'avoue que pour moi c'est un peu neutre parce que Shane s'inscrit dans la tradition américaine, certainement qu'il n'a pas le choix. Il a une femme et 3 enfants, d'accord. Donc sachez bien ça. Shane a une femme et 3 enfants et donc ils peuvent être très persuasifs, d'accord. Donc s'il vous plaît, pour moi ce n'est pas la faute de Shane, c'est la faute des religieux qui lui mettent la pression, d'accord. Donc voilà, ok. Euh, euh, Ensuite, qu'est-ce que j'avais à dire là-dessus, voilà. Donc, ouais, s'il vous plaît, n'allez pas euh, harceler Shane ou de Stuff Made Here. Je dis exactement qui c'est parce que euh, c'est un personnage public. Donc après, c'est aussi à lui de manager, vous voyez. Mais euh, n'allez pas le harceler, euh, n'allez pas non plus chez lui, d'accord. Euh, Juste, euh, eh bien, peut-être, juste, vous voyez, si vous le voyez, etc., donc dans la rue, etc., juste, intez-le un peu. Dites-lui, essaye d'un peu de combattre les religieux. Vous voyez. Euh, alors, avec, avec évidemment, beaucoup de mesures. Parce que il a quand même 3 enfants. D'accord. Donc, il a 3 enfants, une femme. Donc, c'est à lui de décider ce qu'il souhaite faire. D'accord. Parce que les religieux, euh, ils tuent des gens, hein. Ils tuent des gens, ils donnent des maladies, d'accord. Donc attention. ok. Donc voilà. Donc voilà ce que j'avais à dire là-dessus, ok. Donc pour moi, pas du tout la faute de Shane. Juste, il pourrait peut-être essayer de hinter un petit peu. Ça ce serait un peu bien. Enfin, ce serait bien, je trouve. Euh, mais pour moi, c'est pas la faute de Shane. Parce que ça fait peur, hein. Donc, après, je sais pas. Peut-être que Shane. Je sais pas exactement. D'accord. Donc voilà. En tout cas, Shane, honestly, best of luck to you. Hopefully, so if you see this video, hopefully I want only the best for you. Like many inventions and constructions of previous inventions, honestly. Um, um, I think you are doing a lot of good by sharing all that you're sharing, honestly. Um, and honestly, I've had tons of fun watching a lot of your videos. Okay, so tons of fun, and I've learned also quite a lot. So yeah, and I think you see the duo with your wife is a nice is a nice addition to your channel. This is very nice. You see, but like take into account what I'm saying, okay? So here you go. So if you didn't know, Shane, basically, so I thought, so about what I said, I thought as if you got it, okay, and that you did it anyway to please the Christians. So if you did not get it, in this case I'm sorry, you see. In this case, basically, I think you've been fooled in this case, and I'm telling you that you have been fooled, okay. So here you go. Maybe you did that to get that function for cheap, though. So if this is the case, it's inside. It's fine, okay. So here you go. But I think I don't know. So I've said all. You see, I've said everything that I could think about that. But honestly, as a whole, obviously, really love the videos. Love you sharing all those things about engineering and basically inspiring millions. And really love the duo with your wife. And I think, honestly, even with all of that, I think you are one of the best channel on YouTube, engineering channel on YouTube. So honestly, it means watching your videos. I think inspires inspire sorry inspires no inspires inspires a lot of people. So and you see, it inspires me, okay. It inspires me a lot. So if it inspires me, I know that it inspires millions, okay. So here you go. And that's it. And I liked the golf club one. Maybe I can give out some videos that were really nice. The bat one was nice. You see the bat that could activate that could detonate to basically launch a ball. The golf club one also. So you made several videos about golf clubs, which are really nice. And also really liked like the air cutter one. So obviously it was not really really effective, but the technique was nice though, and it kind of worked. So, and a good one was the wall painter. The wall painter was amazing, and also, so I have something to say about the wall painter. So the wall painter was absolutely amazing, and also what's good is the basketball basket. The basketball basket was really nice also. Really, so all of those are really really impressive. Okay, and I have something to say about the wall painter. I think that, so you see, you kind of invented a. So I don't know if you invented the wall painter, but I think so. Basically, it was not available commercially before. I think so, and basically, Tesla after that painted the walls of some factories with a wall painter like this. So I think they basically they stole your invention. And so if that's the case, Shane, you should watch my project and you should watch basically what I'm doing. Basically, we are going to give money back to the innovators, to the inventors, okay? And basically, each people after that are going to use all of the things that we're making, basically, are going to pay the true inventors of the things, okay? So if you see this video, I don't know. If you see this video, basically, I encourage you to follow the project, and maybe we can build the greatest platform ever, and put back original and true inventors at the top of the scene. Okay, and I think this would be amazing. So to have people working on what they love, you see, and other people using the inventions and paying just a small contribution to each inventors, each true and each true inventors. Okay, each original and true inventors. Okay, so here you go. So I don't know what part you had in basically Tesla using this kind of machines to paint walls, okay? But I think you might have had a part. So when was let me look at your channel to see when was that, okay? So I think it's possible that that they kind of copied what you've done. So obviously if you do that, it's for people to copy, but what I mean is that I want people to know, you see, each of the interactions, and know which are the greatest which are the guys based at the start of all the innovations. Okay, so basically so let me get your channel. Because obviously I think they didn't credit you. So when was the wall painting one? I think it was I think it was after the basketball. 4 years ago. So 4 years ago was in... Oh no, so wait. Was it the inverse? No. So if it was the inverse, I'm sorry. If it was the inverse, I'm sorry. Let me be sure. So 2026, 2020... So I think you started that maybe 2 years before. So maybe 1 year before. I think it's a long project. So I think at least 1 year before. So in 2021, let me get the exact date. Can I get the exact date? 31st October 2021. So I think you started in 2020. So maybe around mid-year. So 2021. And when did Tesla? So Tesla painting wall machine. Okay, it was in 2025. So in 25. So you see, they stolen your invention. They have stolen your invention. So obviously, I would never want that to happen. Also, okay? So Shane, if you're with me, and if people that like what I said are with me, maybe we can build the greatest platform ever to basically give back the innovations to the innovators and the creators. Okay? Hopefully we can build that shit because it's really not good to have people basically using the innovations of others without basically crediting them or give them any money. Okay? So here we go. I think we can build so basically with this platform you will see the greatest growth ever, because basically the people at the origins of the invention will be superstars, and so this will make the world shift on creation. Okay? So this is going to be good. Okay? So here you go. One of my so I always say it's one of my most important video, but this one is really good. Okay? This one is really good. So 40 minutes, sorry, a bit long, but needed to make that that video though. You see? Needed to make that video. So you're gonna say to me, Gauthier, so I'm gonna end the video there and let's start making another video. So honestly, I'm going guys, I'm going as fast as I can about this. Okay? They're blocking me like each step of the